And that is how you make great content on LinkedIn in just 2 minutes. Brian, let's talk about how to make great content that's engaging on LinkedIn in just 2 minutes.
Cool. How do you do it?
So you start with a hook. A LinkedIn video should be 2 minutes long, and the last 5 seconds should tell you everything you said previously and why you watched the video.
Okay.
And you need to take that last 5 seconds and put it right at the beginning. Because then the second thing that you do is you put a subtitle on your video. So when someone scrolls by it, there's a lot of feeds where the sound doesn't come on. They see the title of your video as you're saying the title of your video, and they get hooked because they want to know all the reasons that got you to that conclusion.
That's right. I never put my sound on my phone. I just scroll through the video, and when I see the transcription and I see the little subtitles at the bottom, I get stuck reading that, and then I'll read the whole entire thing. It's really cool.
And then they've got you.
It got me.
And the last thing, you need to have 2 people talking. AdHawk does this incredibly well. They have the expert and they have the younger guy, and the expert is constantly making fun of the younger guy while he's teaching you things. So it keeps you engaged because the younger guy's making all these facial expressions like, what the heck, man? Why'd you have to say that about me? And the older guy's just dropping bombs of wisdom on you. So you have to have personas, you have to have interaction, great content, and a hook. And that is how you make great content on LinkedIn in just 2 minutes. Okay.
Oh wait, subscribe over here.
Yeah, you do that.
Scroll, swipe, tap. I think you can figure it out.